Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. You guys see the hair? Yep, it's new, it's new. This hair was sent to me by Beyond Beauty. I thank them so much. And this is their Bomb Twist Crochet hair. So I did a little mix with today's tutorial. We've got some travel braids in the front and we did do some crochet in the back. So this style is going to give us a lot of versatility. So before we get too far into the video, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also make sure you click the notification bell so you know when I post much more videos. So let's jump right into it. So here is the hair. This is their 14-inch bomb twist hair, but it really looks a lot like passion twist, especially with the end of the hair, which has a nice loose curl. And also the twist itself isn't super tight, so this will be great for this style as we start to crochet our hair through this actual twist. So let's get a closer look. The loop is perfect for crocheting, and as you can see, the curl is very organic, which is going to give us a much more natural look, and even the end is a nice natural curl. Now this hair comes from Beyond Beauty. This is the bag that all of the hair came into, branded and labeled with the type of hair. It also includes a Ziploc closure, and the hair came with 6 of these little bundles, and each bundle has 20 twists in it. Now at this point I have washed my hair with my apple cider vinegar rinse that I use. If you have not seen how I wash synthetic hair, I'll go ahead and put that video up in the info cards and you can check out exactly how I wash synthetic hair. But this hair was great. There was no film left on the top of the water after letting it soak for an hour, so I feel confident that I won't have any itch or irritation. So each one of these bundles was securely packaged in a container or a bag like this. And this bag was labeled at the top with my color choice, which was 1B. Also included in the bag was some hair jewels. There's 4 of them here, 2 in silver, 2 in gold, a crochet needle, got 2 clips as well, and a mirror. So let's go ahead and open up this mirror so we can take a look at it. It says Happy Smile Hand Mirror. So there you go. And this is the 6 packs of hair washed and dried. So my hair is freshly washed, and unfortunately it's much drier than I would prefer for parting and the style that we're going for. So I am going to actually use my spray bottle to spritz my hair just slightly so I don't rip all my hair out as I'm trying to make a part. And with today's style, although we are using the crochet twist hair that I just showed you, we're going to start with a half up, half down style that can be modified to become a full ponytail. So the first thing we need to do is create a part from this side of our head to the opposite side of our head, kind of right at where our ears are, to divide our hair, and I'm going to use my rat tail comb to make that happen. Using the end of my comb right at the top of my ear, I'm going to begin my part, and really towards the center of my head I'm going with feel to make sure it's as straight as possible. And I'm just going to pin up the back with a ponytail holder and check my work. Not bad at all. I'm just going to clean up this side slightly. Alright, now I have separated the top portion from the back. We've got our part here. As you can see, it goes from ear to ear. And now for the back portion, we're going to create a perimeter portion that's going to have individual braid/twists. And then we're going to actually French braid the center for our crochet. So the whole point of doing individuals around the edge is so that it looks as if they are actually just passion twists, individually twisted all around the edge. So we're going to camouflage the actual crochet portion with some individuals. Next thing we need to do is part out our perimeter of our back portion and twist those sides the way. Now, parting for this portion does not have to be perfect, just as symmetrical as possible so that we have a good portion in the center left for crocheting. Here are our finished results. I've twisted everything in the perimeter up and out of the way, and we're just left with the center, which is going to be ready for French braiding. I'm using shea butter to make sure my hair stays moisturized, and now I'm going into the center part of my hair. I've created this L-shaped part because the goal is to create a honeycomb. So I'm going to braid towards the left of my head and up, and then we're going to continue that pattern over to the right and back down, and continue in a honeycomb pattern until I only have one single strand of hair left. This pattern reduces the bulk of your hair from being at the base of your neck. I'm now using my crochet needle to interlock this one end of the braid into the rest of the braid pattern, weaving it in and out until it completely disappears. For our next step, we are going to be dividing our perimeter pieces into individual boxes to prep for our individual passion twists. So here I have separated out a square, and I'm using my Murray's Edge Wax to smooth everything down. And you're just going to divide your hair into 3 pieces to begin your braid. So here I have 3 pieces, and you start from the outside piece, bring it to the center, outside, bring it to the center, outside, bring it to the center. You can continue that for a couple of rotations, and then I'm going to stop and split the hair into 2 pieces for a 2-strand twist. Now the purpose of this is to just make sure that my hair is out of the way and maintain in its separate sections, but you will be unraveling this part when you go to insert your passion twist. The entire perimeter is braided / twisted, and it will be ready for our individual passion twist. Now I started off flat twisting the front of my head, but I just didn't really like how it was turning out. It was just a little too loose to really give me the definition I was looking for. So I quickly switched over and decided that I was going to begin French braiding it. Now I'm going to be honest, I don't frequently French braid my hair, so this was definitely a work in progress, but I think it turned out pretty decently. So here I'm kind of creating that essential, let's say, tribal look where you braid across one center braid over to the opposite side on the opposite section. And I'm going to repeat this going the opposite direction as well for a focal point. Now the thing about these tribal braids are you can create any type of pattern you want. There are no rules or regulations. Just have fun with it. So I've completed one side of my head, not looking bad for someone who doesn't frequently French braid, and we're going to try to replicate that on the opposite side. So my confidence was high, and I was going in to try to create what I like to call a block and lock pattern. So I am creating 3 parts for 3 different sections. I'm going to twist the far side out of the way, and we're going to work with the middle, where I'm going to create 4 twists from this middle part, and I'm just twisting them to opposite directions. So one will go to the left, then right, then left, then right. With these twists, I'm not going all the way to the end. I just want to be able to hold them in place until I continue the rest of the braid. Now that I've got the center finish for this block and lock pattern, I'm going to French braid and include each according twist into it as I go all the way to the crown of my head. You'll duplicate this braid on the opposite side of the blocks, and then you will soon be finished with a couple additional braids. Let's bun the top part out of the way and get ready to crochet. So I'm going to be unraveling the hair for our perimeter parts. Make sure I've got it right about in the middle and slide it right up under my braid. Now the fun part about this is you don't have to worry about having a tight grip. I'm going to unravel my real hair into the 2 strands and divide the twist into 2. Each side of my real hair will be merged with the synthetic hair. So here I am twisting my hair with the synthetic hair to create a type of rope and cross. Twist and cross, twist and cross, twist and cross, all the way down. Because this is crochet hair, it has a kink and a curl to it, which makes it a lot easier to twist your hair into it. Here is my twist, and this is how it compares to the pre-twisted twist. Not bad, they definitely seem like they're in the same family. Now let's do this one more time to make sure you got it. Unravel the hair, slide it under your braid with the crochet hook, untwist your real hair, and now you're going to rotate and twist to combine your real hair with the synthetic hair all the way down the length of the hair. And here we are, the entire perimeter of individuals is complete. We can now use our traditional crochet method for the center. Slide the crochet hook under your braid, hook your hair onto the hook, close the latch, slide it under, and pull the end of the hair through the loop. And there you go, guys. We have completed the back. The illusion is looking real good with the perimeter individuals. And now for the top. You'll need a hair tie for this, and we're simply going to take the loop of the hair and put it behind the hair tie. Make sure that it's opened up and you can get 2 fingers in there, and then take the end of the hair and slide it through the loop of the crochet hair, creating a slip knot, and just pull on it tightly. Continue to add hair until the scrunchie is half full. I've braided the very top of my hair, and now I'm sticking a bobby pin through 3 twists, and I'm going to wrap the twist around my braid, folding the end of my real hair down and wrapping the twist back down and pinning and securing them at the base. Now let's attach the ponytail holder we created, looping the scrunchie around the base of our real hair, pinning our real hair down and flipping the crochet twist over. I'm going to take 2 pieces and wrap them around the base to conceal the scrunchie. We'll use a couple of bobby pins to make sure the base is secure, as well as making sure that we're pinning the crochet braids slightly to our real hair for a great illusion that doesn't reveal what's really going on. That completes style number 1 with a half up, half down do. And for a little extra flair, and because Beyond Beauty included them with the hair, let's add some hair jewelry. For style number 2, we're going to take the top portion and create a bun. For next style, we're going to be doing a high ponytail. So you'll need to actually remove the bun that we previously installed, but now you can add all the hair from the back into the front ponytail using a scrunchie to combine the 2. And as you can see, my real hair is sticking out there, but you're going to use a couple of bobby pins to pin it down, and we'll take about 3 or 4 twists and wrap them around the base to finish off the look. Elastic headband for this style. You're going to split your hair in half and wrap it around itself, both sides, and that's going to create a large top bun here. And this is our final hairstyle. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and all the tips and tricks I brought your way for making sure that you too can achieve this crochet style. I thank you so much for viewing today. Check out all the rest of my videos that relate to hair, cooking, as well as DIYs, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a great day.